friends, it's Miss Davison and my assistant, Scouticorn. We are so excited about our next Super Saturday class, and I bet you can guess what my favorite holiday is. Christmas. Just kidding. Halloween. If you like silly costumes, you are going to love my class. I'm going to have a different costume on every single class. Also, one of my assistants will be joining me, also dressed for the occasion, like this Scouticorn here today, for each of our classes. So if you like art, and you like science, and you like silly Halloween fun, you are going to have so much fun with me experimenting and making amazing Halloween creations like witches' bubble paintings and dome monsters and salty spider webs and rainbow bats and haunted optical illusions. Please join us. We can't wait to see you, and I can't wait to see what your costumes look like as well.